Hey Bookies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Wavytalk. This is a Streamline Pro Steam Brush, and as you can see, it's steaming right now. I just flipped in my ends. I finished pressing my hair, and I'm pretty pleased with what it looks like right now. I know I did trim, but I could not find my hair cutting shears, so I probably have to get a new one. I live in a really hot Caribbean country, Trinidad and Tobago. Right now it's like 35 degrees Celsius outside, which I don't know how much that is Fahrenheit, but it's hot and it's humid because we're in really rainy season, so there's a lot of moisture in the air. But I wanted to press up my hair because I'm like, who wants to deal with curls and knots every day? I mean, I love my hair, but it wants a little break. And the last time I did it, I could not get my hair to stay straight for nothing. Like, it was instantly reverting. However, I did something a little bit different today, and I was able to keep it. So far, I mean, even a half an hour keeping this style intact is a win for me because of how quickly my hair reverts. Like, literally, as soon as I'm finished pressing one part, it can start back reversing. So you're seeing a little frizzy parts or whatever, but for the most part, it's still looking good. And if you want to see how I did it, keep watching. So first off, honey, we are starting on freshly washed hair, and the cheaper the shampoo is the more sulfate. So you're gonna make sure that your hair is squeaky clean, which you want when you're doing a flat iron or a blow dry or whatever heat process, because you want your hair to be free of any product whatsoever. I put a little bit, like the tiniest, not even a dime size amount of my Scala leave-in conditioner, like multi-treatment thing. Like, it's really lightweight, and I just wanted to make sure my hair did have some hydrating product in it, but that's it. And then I went in with my ORS heat protectant. It's like a silicone type based product. It's like a oily feeling something. I wanted something. I like things that coat my hair, especially because I live in a humid and hot climate, and I have very high porosity hair. My hair literally reverts while doing it. I did not like blow out my hair or pull it or anything like tension method. No, I just made sure to use it at times when I found that my roots were still a bit wet or cold, because if your hair is wet, you use the straightening comb on it, it's gonna burn your scalp. Trust me, steam is gonna come back on your head with fury of, like, I don't even know. And the next thing I did to try to help me maintain this straight hair is to immediately wrap it in a roller. What roller set? Yeah, to roller set it. The roller set wasn't perfect, but it was just so that the hair could cool while being molded into a shape. So yeah, it seems to have worked. This is what the process looked like. I'm going to be doing half of my head on camera and the other half off. So stay tuned. so it's been about 15 minutes since I finished flattening my hair, and I use this to start off, which is a heat protectant from ORS, and now I'm going to be using this on it, and this is an attempt to stop my hair from reverting. So this is the ORS Frizz Control and Shine Glossing Hair Polisher infused with peckweed oil for smoothing. So I'm going to be unraveling my curlers and coating my hair lightly with this, making sure to try to work it in without disrupting it too much. Why, maybe I should have done this before I put any colors, but it's an experiment, so let's see how it goes. As you can see, it's hot in this room because I'm already sweating. I'm going to also see if I can trim my ends a little bit. Okay, I redid my colors, trying to give my hair more of a shape this time, and I'm not going to be manipulating it too much after taking them out. So let's see what we get. I mean, we could like how much longer length of the I have. I just do it again. This is so funny to me. Maybe I just don't know how to style straight hair.